Let's learn about rain and clouds. Where does rain come from? Let's find out. I have a surprise. It keeps you dry in the rain. It starts with the letter U. Umbrella. Let's play outside. Oh no, look at the cloud. I hear thunder. Look, a cloud. Cloud. The cloud is big and fluffy. And now, rain. Rain comes from the cloud. Cloud. Rain. Cloud. Rain. Clouds bring rain. We need an umbrella. Umbrella. Now we are dry. Cloud, rain, umbrella. When you see a cloud, rain can come. And we use an umbrella. Sing with me. Ready? Cloud, cloud in the sky. Rain, rain falling by. Umbrella, umbrella open wide. Keep me dry side by side. What do you need when it rains? An umbrella or a hat? Umbrella, yes. Umbrella keeps you dry. Ding. Let's review. Cloud. Cloud. Rain. Rain. Umbrella. Umbrella. Ta-da! It's a colorful umbrella. Umbrella. Save this video so you can practice and subscribe to the channel. كم كلمة جديدة اتعلمت النهاردة عن الطقس؟ قول لماما أو بابا. ملحوظة لماما وبابا. أشر لطفلك للسحاب والمطر من الشباك وكرر الكلمات. Bye bye. See you next time.